In this video, I will explain index and match function in Google Sheets. First of all, let us start with the index function. So with index function, what you can do is for the given index, you can extract the data from the range. So here we have got a data, and if you want to give the index to this data, you can say this is the column 1, this is column 2, column 3, and similarly for the rows, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. So that is basically the index. Okay, column index and row index. So for example, if you want to find out the data in the second column and fourth row, that will be the index 4 comma 2. Okay, so row index we have to give first and then column index. So for that specific row and column index, data is met. Similarly, if you want to find say this data, row index will be 6 and column index will be 2. That's how this index function works. So here you can see the index function takes three parameters. First one is range. The second parameter is the row index. Okay. In this case, we have given 4. That means this row. And in that row, second column. That means this column. So it is going to extract mat for us. If I give say 3 over here, that means column index is 3. It will return 7838209. Okay, like that. One important thing you need to remember is that index function can work on a range or two-dimensional data, but match function works only on the single dimension. So with match function, what you can do is that for a given row or given column, you can extract its index. Here, let us say I want to find the index for the mat for this particular column. And here the third parameter is 0. That means this data is not sorted. So basically what it does is that it tries to match this mat in this column. So it starts scanning for here and then goes until it finds mat. Once it finds the mat, it returns that index. So index is 4. So it should return 4. You can see it is returning 4. But if I put say Jack over there, let us see what output you will get. It should return 5 because that is the fifth position. That's how the match function works. And remember that match function can only work on a single row or the single column. That's it. Thanks for watching.